Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and delicious protein shake. The first thing you're going to need is a blender. Okay, to the blender we're going to add in some water.
If you want, the water can be replaced with milk if that's what you like.
And we're going to throw in some frozen berries.
I like to use the frozen berries because they're pretty cheap, and more importantly, they help to make the protein shake nice and cold.
Okay, now to that we're going to add in some vanilla yogurt. Just a couple scoops. Throw in some peanut butter as well.
You could also use almond butter instead of the peanut butter. It's really just personal preference.
Just about 1 scoop or so. I like to add some cinnamon as well to the protein shakes. There's a lot of really great health benefits with cinnamon, and it tastes delicious too. So just throw in like a teaspoon, and then of course we're gonna add in our protein powder. So when you're looking for a good protein powder, you need to make sure that you find one that, one, is obviously high in protein, but also one that's low in sugar. This protein powder has only 3 grams of sugar. Some of the leading brands on the market have sometimes like 20 or 30 grams of sugar, and that's not what you want. So I like to add a scoop, sometimes maybe a little bit more than a scoop. All you really need to do now is put it on and blend it. Alright guys, so that's it, a super easy protein shake. So this is great if you're just finishing working out, or if you're just looking for a quick convenient breakfast, or just an easy afternoon snack. It's so good. Hey guys, we really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like on the video, and also let us know in the comments section below what videos you guys want to see from us next. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your day.